What's up, guys? Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm, and you know, I'm just gonna take you around with me today. What's up, guys? Jason over here at Cog Hill Farm, and today is just gonna be a day with Jason. It's day after processing. I got equipment I gotta put up, I gotta clean up, gotta make sure the coolers are iced down good. Just a general day, and I figured I'd just bring y'all with me. Pete, what's up, babe? She worked hard yesterday. She's sleeping late. And they talking about bad weather today and rain. Imagine that, rain. Like we need rain, like everybody else, I guess, in the country. But before we clean up, I gotta go feed the crew. Look out, Foxy. When I open this door, you're gonna hear pure craziness. What's up, Ghost? What's up, guys? What's up, buddy? What's up, Tipper? It's always sketchy when I bring my camera in with the goats. They're automatically attracted to it as if it's some type of play toy, not to mention his feeding time. They're never satisfied, especially Tip. He usually just goes from one bucket to the other, just over and over and over and over again. That's semi-peaceful, Tip. Yeah. Maybe he's learning some manners. What I generally do, it's crazy. We'll get out here away from that noise. What we generally do is with our free-range egg-laying chickens and whatever else went up in the coop that night, I'll go ahead and feed them in here, cause the geese and the Muscovy ducks, they'll just go in there and they'll eat everything in a matter of minutes. I mean, it'll be all gone because they're all gorgers. So what I'll do is I'll go in there and I'll feed the chickens, let them eat whatever they want to eat, and in a couple of hours or so, I'll let everybody out. That way the ducks and geese don't eat all the chicken feed. Now it's on to the rabbits. And I must say, these hay feeders have been the ticket, man. It has really saved me a lot of time, and it's just been beneficial for both of us. It is always such a semi-relief when we do a batch of meat chickens because, you know, that's a few less chores we have to do. So there's no meat chickens right now, but I do have to clean this area up and get the equipment put up storms coming, and this just needs to be done. And you know, she's on me pretty hard, so I'm getting it, girl. I'm working on it. I forgot to mention that I recently just installed some outdoor speakers down here at the processing barn area. Why not? Gotta have a little music while you're down here. Little quick tip, especially with your processing cones, we spray them with like a cooking oil spray, and that way they just clean off pretty easy, you know, when everything's done. All right, done. That's such a relief to get that done. I mean, it's like that every time. And it's even more relief because storms are coming. They should be here in a couple of hours, so I beat the rain. Oh, rain. Rain, rain. Oh, a lot of people always ask, what do we do with the stuff? You know, the feathers, the insides, all that stuff. We typically compost it. The feathers I'll just throw in the garden, just sporadically, just throw the feathers around. Or sometimes I've used the feathers as mulch before too, in order to compost down. Matter of fact, there's companies out there that make feather compost, and it's kind of expensive. But that's what I do with the feathers, and the rest of it, the entrails, I'll bury. I'll dig a hole pretty deep and bury it, and it'll compost down and just make the soil better. Kind of similar to what people do with, I've heard people putting, you know, they've gone fishing and the fish leftovers, they'll put it in their tomato beds. They say that does a good job. So something similar to that, except I bury them pretty deep. Hey, if you want to know more about this whole processing area, there's a complete playlist right over here where you can watch how we built this thing and got it all set up. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button right down below. And if you're interested in any Cog Hill Farm gear, like this Peaches shirt, check out this link right here. Y'all be good.